Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Pratiwi. I'm from TBID. Now I want to describe the problems and the best solution of education system in Indonesia. The problem is about big questions which until now have been answered, that our education just products unemployment people, well-educated people who has graduated from university are only new work seekers. They are impossible accommodated by available job file. And then we have so much overflow natural research, but why our education unable to administer it by producing human research who can manage our ground, land, farmland, forest, water, fuel, coal, gas, etc. for our prosperity? Why? What's wrong with our education? Why have Indonesian education failed to build our country and to decide and to dedicate the best way for Indonesian society's wealth? In my mind, it is because our education only teaches people to get high score in school. Its orientation just score. Getting the highest score is the great achievement of school for registering to be civil servant, police, army, and the other government officials which only getting money from states or spend APBN budget without product anything for state and society. To be government officials are not wrong, but the wrong one is all of the people oriented to get money easily from government, forgetting to value the money by their creativity and to administer natural research for getting additional value. In school and also university, we study harder and harder to get the best score without understanding what for and how to use each lesson in the real life. The lesson from school is not relevant with what our earth reserve for us. We just selling raw material of our overflow natural research with the cheapest price. We do not have any creativities to change raw material to useful things because we never get it from school. And the result, we never get wealth and prosperity from our own natural research. We are still under the pure line. Nevertheless, many countries can be great country because they can utilize our natural research like gold by Freeport and Newmont as a corporation from USA. Fuel is exported by Chevron, ExxonMobil, Conoco, etc. and we only get tax from them. But it is so different if our education teach us in advance to utilize natural research to be high quality product as an entrepreneur, not to be a worker or work seeker mentality. We can administer our own natural research because we are entrepreneur, not just getting job from straight corporations. It means that our education has to change the orientation of education which teach people from seeking job to making job field. Not only get high score in school but also to utilize that lesson for getting money and the most important how to administer natural research for each region by themselves with local reach and their own capability. Government should make local wisdom of education for every region because of diversity of their natural research will to build their own vacancy. And I'm sure eventually we will be great people with the biggest country in this world because of our good education system. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.